Hello students, today we will learn how to locate root 2 and root 3 on a number line. So first of all, let's start how to locate irrational number root 2. So for this, first of all, we will take a distance of 1 centimeter on the number line and we can mark these points as O and A. So OA is equal to 1 centimeter. OA is equal to 1 centimeter. Now next, we will draw a perpendicular at point A using a protractor. At A, we have to draw this perpendicular. Now, using compass, we will mark an arc of 1 centimeter here, and we can mark this point as C. So AC is also equal to 1 centimeter. Now next, we can join OC. So here as we can see, this angle OAC is equal to 90 degree because we have drawn a perpendicular at point A. We have drawn this perpendicular here. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, what will we have? OC square is equal to OA square plus AC square, because according to Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So using this theorem, we will get OC square is equal to OA square plus AC square. Now OA is equal to OA is equal to 1. So we will get 1 square plus AC is also equal to 1. So we will get 1 square. Now 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2. So if we take square root on both sides, we will get OC is equal to root 2. So this is equal to root 2. Now we will again use a compass and we will open our compass at a distance of OC with a distance of OC. We will open our compass and we will draw an arc on the number line. So we will get the arc here and we can mark this point as D. Now a very important step we have to look at. Now with using OC distance, we have drawn a arc on this number line. So if we can see, it is forming a circle basically. So here OC is the radius of the circle and also OD is the radius of the circle. As we know, radii of the circle are equal. So we can say that OD is equal to OC and OC is equal to root 2. So this implies that point D denote root 2 on the number line. Now we will plot root 3 on the number line. So for root 3, first of all, we have to plot root 2 only, which we have already done. Now we need to do 2-3 more steps to locate root 3 on the number line. Now if you have understood how to locate root 2 on the number line, then it is very easy to locate root 3 on the number line. So let's begin. Let's proceed with our next step. Now we know OC is equal to root 2. At point C, we will draw a perpendicular using the protractor only. Now again we will draw an arc at the distance of 1 centimeter. And we can mark this point as E. Now we will join OE. Please look at the figure carefully. Now we will join OE. If you can see, we will now join OE. Now, so now here as we can see, we will get a triangle of OCE. We have got this triangle OCE. So in triangle OCE, we can see again we have an angle of 90 degree. This angle OCE is 90 degrees. So again we can apply Pythagorean theorem. So we will get OE square is equal to OC square plus CE square. Now from the figure we can see OC square. OC is equal to root 2. We have already plotted this thing. OC is equal to root 2. So we will have root 2 whole square plus CE. Here I can see CE is equal to 1 centimeter. So we will get 1 square. So this is equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now we will take square root on both sides. So what we will get? We will get OE is equal to root 3. Now again we will follow the same method. We will open our compass till OE and we will draw an arc here. We will get, please look at the diagram carefully. We will get our next arc here, slightly before the point 2. So here OE equal to root 3 and we can mark this point as F. Similarly, as we have done in case of root 2, we can say OF is equal to OE. OF is equal to OE is equal to root 3. We have followed the same method as we have done in case of root 2. In root 2 also, we have got OC is equal to OF being the radii of the same circle. Here also, we will get OE equal to OF being the radii of the same circle. Because again, if I draw a circle using OE, we will get OE and OF as the radius of the circle. So both will be equal only. So we will get OF equal to root 3. So we have plotted point F as root 3. Now next we will learn how to plot root 5 on the number line. Let me draw a number line first. Let me draw the number line. Just a minute. So now here we have got a number line here. So we will mark the point as 0, 1, 2. Next we can plot the points as -1 and -2. Just 4, 5 points we need to mark on the number line. Now we will plot root 5 on the number line. How? It's very easy to plot root 5 on the number line once you are clear with the how to plot root 2 and root 3 on the number line. Now, we will take a distance of 2 centimeter on the number line. So, we'll take the distance of 2 centimeter here. And we will mark these points as O and A. At point A, we will draw a perpendicular using protractor, and we will cut an arc at a distance of 1 centimeter here. So this is equal to 1, and we can mark this as point as B. So we have OA equal to 2 and AB equal to 1. Now we will join OB. Now again using compass, and we will open it at a distance of OB. We will use this distance and open our compass at a distance of OB, and we will draw an arc on this number line like this. We can mark this point as C. Now in this figure we can see that angle OAB is 9 degree, because we have drawn an angle of 90 degree using a protractor here. So using Pythagoras theorem only, we can say that OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. OA is equal to 2, so we will get 2 square. Then AB is equal to 1, so we will get 1 square. So 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Now we will take square root on both sides. So what we will get? We will get OB equal to root 5. Root 5. Now again we will do the same thing only. We will open our compass at a distance of OB, and we will draw an arc here, which we have drawn already. We have drawn. Now here, as we can see, OB is equal to OC. How? Because if using OB, we draw a circle. We draw a, sorry. If we draw a circle, so we will get OB and OC as the radii of the same circle. So being the radii of the same circle, they will be equal only. So we can say OC is equal to OB equal to root 5. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any doubt, or you want any kind of help in the number system, you can drop a comment. Thank you.